Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Ivy. So this is another unboxing of my Zumba shoes ordered, and I'm happy to share. But first of all, I want to say how are you guys? I hope everything is good and everybody are okay, family, friends, and wherever you are, please be safe all the time. So yes, another unboxing of my part of my Zumba shoes ordered. And yes, because you just saw my unboxing of my yellow shoes, so this is another one. So I'm starting to open it. It's kind of hard to open. Yes, actually, for Zumba instructor, we have given an opportunity to have a discount in what we ordered. So we have a privilege on what we ordered. So for this one, we have an extra discount as a Zumba instructor. And this was delivered from US to Canada. So we're paying a handling fee, but the delivery fee was free of charge, so it depends on how much it will cost you. But the handling fee will be $2.50, I think. So that's what there's, and it's sent, delivered via UPS. So we're receiving a tracking number for this one. So yes, another beautiful packaging on the zumbawear.com. And like I'm saying, it's another shoes that I have. The proof of receipt. Another hat, the one that I showed you before. And yeah, the most important is this Zumba wear that I have. So you can see it's a light green, yellowish box that I have. And like I'm saying, if you're interested, you just have to go to this website. And they do sell as well. They have sales on the tops and the leggings and the shoes plus the accessories. So, and it depends. Sometimes it goes with the summer, the sale, or the Boxing Day, you know. So they've given us all the sale. So we take the opportunity also to take the sale. So yes, another shoes, another beautiful packaging that I have. And oh yes, beautiful colorful one. This is also an Air Lo, but different style of the Air Lo. Yes, I took the colorful one, but with a touch of blue on it. So this is same size of my first one. Ta-da-da! And she's so beautiful, as you can see. Yes, she's really beautiful, colorful one. So there's a touch of orange, a touch of pink, green, black, and light blue. This size 6 or 36.5, I think. Yes, it's size 6, 36.5 on my size. And yeah, with a pink lace and a green part here. And see how nice, and the Zumba logo, the Beto Shuffle logo here, and the logo here, the name of the Zumba. It's really nice, and it's really comfortable as well. That's why I took shoes that I'm sure that I'm gonna use it, because there was one time I buy the Zumba shoes and I'm not happy because it hurts me, so I have to give it up. I don't use it anymore. But those ones, they're really comfortable, they're comfy and easy to use. It doesn't hurt my feet at all, and it's really comfy. So yeah. And I have a different color with the same style again of the shoes, but not colorful as this one. But I have this one also. And I'll just gonna grab this one. I have the first one that I ordered before. So you can see They're both the same style but different color. So this one is okay, this is in black, size 6 as well. Black and silver grayish style color, and the gold in it. So this is the same, really the same, except that its color is different, as you can see. Those one, I'm happy to use them. That's why I ordered the same thing, not to, you know, regret it in one time. I'm gonna regret it, but I'm happy with these 2 items. So yeah, this is my another shoe collection on my Zumba wear, and I'm happy to share you with this one because it has a touch of blue also. That's why I order it, because I know I like blue. As you can see, I'm a blue fan. So yes, so that's it, my shoe unboxing of my Zumba wear, and I'm happy to share it with you again. I hope you're gonna like, and for those who do attend Zumba class, please try their shoes. They're really comfortable, and it was really made for Zumba classes. So it's easy to use, and yeah, and if there's a discount, you can grab the discount also for your Zumba wear, Zumba shoes, Zumba clothes. Yeah. So yes guys, thank you for staying with me, and hope you like my video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like this video. It will be really appreciated if you can leave me a comment, and I do reply on your comments. So yes, thank you, and don't forget, always keep safe, protect yourself, your family, and everybody in the family. Make sure to wash your hands, gloves when you go outside. As usual, we're still in this situation, so make sure you're safe, protect yourself, and you take care. God bless you. See Ivy signing up. Bye guys.